Good morning, friends. This is Vibhuri Venugopal from Banaras University. Welcome to the series. Let us learn LaTeX. Today, we are going to show uh, boxes in LaTeX. The first command, document to class, article. Then the next command is begin document, end document, and then title. Okay. So this is boxes in LaTeX. Then author, as usual. No need of date. So here like this. Then here make title. Okay. So compiling the document. So boxes in LaTeX is done. The simple box command is fbox and type something in it, and when you compile it, a small framed box will appear like this. Fbox means framed box. Okay. Now using graphics package, okay, we can do something like we can rotate this box by simply saying backslash rotate box. Okay. Then here in the square brackets we'll give what is the angle we want to give to the box. Close it. Then again in postage brackets put the matter in it. Now when we compile it, okay, so it is in the postage brackets, not in square brackets. Rotate box, we can rotate it. Suppose if I put a 90 degrees here, I can rotate it to 90 degrees. If I put a 190 degrees here, I can completely rotate it like this. Okay, so this is the simplest box. Simplest box is F box, that is frame box. Type whatever the matter you want and just compile it. Your box will be there. Now if I put two fbox commands by nesting, I can get two frames like this. This is the funda. Then you can also use frame box. There is a full command called frame box. Then you can tell width of the box. Okay, the width is suppose 4 cm. Position is whether you want a centered text or whatever it is. Okay, This is the text. Now when I compile it, see the text is centered between the box of 4 centimeters width. We can say it as left aligned, okay, with L, left aligned like this, or with R, A, right aligned one like this, or I can also say S for spreading the matter to the entire box. So what are the things available here are S for spread, C for center, and L for left aligned, and R for right aligned. Okay. Or frame box you can also say, okay, 0.5 line width. Line width means we have already discussed it. The line from this margin to this margin, that is the line, half of the line width. We took half of the line width and it is spread. So if I say C, it will be centered. Okay. Then there is another thing called pair box. Pair box is also similar one. Okay. So width and text we can say, or position, width and text. So I will say only width and text. And there is no frame around this pair box. So I will say 6 cm. This is the text. I say it like this. There is nothing is there. If I put a F box here, then you can see the frame. See, like this. Okay. And there is another one called Minipage. So for this you have to use begin Minipage. Okay. Then you have the options like what is the position and width of the box. Like this. Position is, you can say, centered. Then five here. Then you can type whatever you want. Okay. Now when you compile it, the box will come like this. This is the Minipage. And there are two more things are there, like here you can give also height of the box also, but generally we can't determine it because of the matter and everything. And then you can also say where to place it, bottom, top, like this also you can give here. So I am not touching this. So how this is useful for us, we will see. See, suppose I am writing a letter pad. So what I say is begin Minipage, okay, and directly width I am saying it is 0.6 of line width, okay, and then I can type here like this, uh, I have done a mistake here, because it should be always should start here, then next line. Okay, then I can say large parboxes. Okay, then I can also say here no need of giving anything. Uttar Pradesh, and like this. Now when I compile it, everything is here. Okay, or if I put here one centering, what happens? The matter will be centered in the box. Then I am putting another box immediately next to this. Okay, here I put a one H fill, then another begin mini page, and width I am putting 0.3 line width. Okay, so I can write here some other things like some XYZ number like this. When I compile it, both will come like this, one after the other. We can adjust this like this, point 3.5 line width. Okay, or because here it is not fully utilized, so we can give it to 50%. See, like this. You can also increase this one by 4.5 line width. Okay, like this we can do the adjustments. And other thing is, suppose you want to put some graphics here or in between these two things, you can create another mini page and put the graphics, that is monograph of the university, like these things. So this is how it is created. Or in begin mini page, I can do also another thing, like I may put here, okay, begin flush right. Okay, yeah, delete it, and I am copying all the matter. Okay, and putting it here. Now if I compile it, it is flushed like this. This is centered, this is flushed. Or I can, without any centering, I can leave it like this. Then this will come here, this will come like this. Okay, so this is the use of mini page for creating small boxes or pair boxes, like that. Or suppose you are writing a letter. I have created a letter pad. So here I will put number. Okay, some like VHU dot Faculty of Science Mathematics 2020-21. Then HP, then today's date, some May 2020, like this. When I compile it in our letter pad, both these have come. Suppose I will put some extra space here. So for that we use V space, okay, and 0.5 cm. Then we compile, some extra space is given here like this. Then begin, center and center, okay. I'll put certificate like this. Now I compile again, okay, certificate is here. Then I can type the certificate here. This is to certify that Mr. has completed his PhD work under my guidance, and from time to time I supervised his work. Like that, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Suppose it has to be signed by the head of the supervisor. So I'll put begin, flush, right, okay. I'll put professor XYZ, okay. Then supervisor like this, okay. Set it. So to get some extra space here, what we will say is we will put some B space. Then space will be there. Then again your head of the department may forward this. So for that we can say begin, center and center, professor ABCD, and then say head of the department, and just simply compile it. So our certificate is ready. So this mini box you can use for creating this type of headings, several boxes, in several boxes you keep it like that. Or if you have supervisor and co-supervisor, so co-supervisor create one mini box here, then H will create another mini box here, and supervisor here, co-supervisor here, put it. So there is a space for signing for both of them. For example, I will put it here like this. So here I will say mini box, mini page, begin, mini page, okay. With this 3 cm. So I am deleting it here, and I am putting it here. So I am deleting it, okay. Left here and mini page. So this is the second one. So we have to keep another mini page here. Begin, mini page, another 3 centimeters, and I will simply put it here like this, okay. Professor ABCDEF, and then here go supervisor, okay, and mini page, and here I will just put H fill, and when I compile this, both co-supervisor and supervisor will come here. So for signing you need some space. What we say is V space, okay, 3 cm, I think it is sufficient. no need of 3 centimeter, 1 centimeter. See, like this. And here also we will put some V space like this. Now our certificate is ready. So for creating this certificate, what we used is a mini page here, another mini page here, and between it we put a H fill. So there is a stretch. Suppose if I put a small box around them, you will see how much space it has given. Okay, putting F box. So it is simply box is created around this matter like this. Okay, then another F box, and I am putting it at the end of the box. Okay, now when I compile it, see, two boxes are here. Okay, and because it is 5, it is 4.5 line width, it has come like this. Suppose if I say it as 4, there will be some space between both these boxes like this. See, this is the effect of the H fill. So here I complete. Now most of the theory part is completed. In the next lecture, I will tell how to prepare a big volume. Either it may be a thesis or it may be a book. How to include various chapters, how to include table of contents and all these things. For this, what I do is, we have used many of the uh, files we have saved every day. So all these I will change it to chapters, and I will compile all these things to make a single book. This is it. So these are the books referred. You will get all these boxes and all these things in the chapter I think floats environment. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please give your suggestions or your appreciations by email to this email address dvgtech@gmail.com, so that I can improve my lectures. Thank you very much.